like Santa Claus set that up for you.
You got a Nintendo?
Yeah, now we go after Ruth one. Why don't you go? Evan, what's your way? I got my own Ninja Turtle sandwich.
Let's see it. Can I do this?
Mama, can you help me?
Bring it over here and I'll help you.
It's calling surprise. Yeah, her hair grows.
Oh my goodness, this is pretty.
This is for.
Wait a minute. Wait till it comes on here. Okay, give it a try.
Where's Grandma? How do you get the sound up? This is for her.
Yeah. Is it working? What does it sound right now? Huh?
The twist, and then the supposed to go here. I took my
Evan. Ah. Let's set this down for a while. What?
Aunt Ruth, say hi to the camera. Merry Christmas. Well, I don't have to worry about background atmosphere.
Bad light over here.
I'm not just taking it over there.
You're not?
Well, I can't. The TV's over there.
You are fine, Mom. So we're gonna put one out.
No, I didn't.
Mom, you only get one Bible.
Where? That isn't fair.
Okay.
Look up here and say Merry Christmas, ho ho ho.
Merry Christmas, ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, ho, ho, ho.
Yeah. Move your hand so we can see it. Oh, yeah. I don't know.
Oh, Mommy, wait a minute, please. Please, Mom, can you wait a minute?
Okay.
What time is it?
I don't.
What's your watch?
Because I wanted to go to real affordable.
11:32. Oh, yeah. That's gorgeous.
That's nice. You can have that all the time. Huh? The Barbie nest. Oh, I have a spreadsheet. When you better wear your socks to school.
Mommy, can you
I am gonna wear mine. Some girl had some on the other day. I thought I'm gonna turn them on and walk down the halls, and everybody will be looking around trying to see where some girl had them on in school the other day.
Boss McQuaid gave me a keychain that had a music ring on it. And Stu and I down at the post office.
Where
Where did all three of us?
Is end of Christmas.
I know. Have you seen Mary's hula hoop yet?
She goes,
You
what?
know her eyes start glowing.
She goes like, what?
What she do?
She does a good job.
Good, don't you, Meredith? Your whole body goes and the hula hoop goes and everything.
Evan and Katie, turn around and wave. I can't get the video. I'm not allowed to film the TV.
What?
I don't know. Ben said you can't film the television. Well, Ben and Tommy and Mom and Aunt Ruth are in the kitchen. So they don't get to be in the end of the Christmas show. Say Merry Christmas, Angie.
Merry Christmas, Angie.
Say Merry Christmas, Beth. Mary Ann. Scott.
Marianne's an oddball.
Merry Christmas, Krista.
Say Merry Christmas, Meredith.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
Oh.
Here's the remains of our snowman who took a tumble, we think.
What are you doing?
He's taking pictures of the snowman. That's the dirty snow. This is 2 days after Christmas. We didn't have a white Christmas, but we got all this. It's supposed to be up to 47 though, and it should melt all away. Yeah? No? For what? Meredith, lay down and make a snow angel for me again.
Mommy,
Just a minute.
snowball fight. Okay? Okay, Mommy? Okay?
Okay. Here's Meredith. Here's Jack on the loose.
I'm doing my snow dance.
There he is. He's up. He's down. Meredith Davies.
Bam! Wow!
Give him a close-up shot.
Woo! That's stupid snowball. Whoa! This is hard.
Good. Evan, he dies for camera time. He loves camera. Nice shot, Evan. Nice shot, Krista. Look at Krista. Look at Meredith. She had a close-up, point blank. Jump on him! Jump on him! All right! Evan, how'd you like that? Give us a smile. Come here. Look at me. Look at me. Close up. Action cam. Here she comes. That's a pretty picture. Smile. Evan lost a bunch of teeth in a snowball fight. Let's look at this up close. Don't, Evan.
Okay, you guys keep playing. I'm going to go see if I can get that dog before the car gets me.
Like Mark's. He says, come to think of it, he did. He had holes in his hands and his feet. And Jesus looked at this guy over and he says, Dad? And the old man looks at him and he says, Pinocchio?
That's pretty good.
Yes, it is.
You gotta hear all these people work bitches about their in-laws and their sisters and their mothers and everybody. She said, I appreciated you, but she said, after hearing my mom, I'm really appreciating you now. But she said this one girl said that her mother-in-law, the time they were married, when they went to visit their mother-in-law, she put them in separate bedrooms. She didn't let her son and his wife sleep together. She said one day, sat there giving us a sermon that every time you had sex, it knocks the day off your life. This girl said, I tell the old coot, how come your husband's been dead for 15 years and you're still here? Man, if I had thought of it, I think I'd have said it.
Mommy,
Why do you think it is?
can I videotape once, please? Please, please, please.
It's a fairy tale.
Just shine it if you want to videotape.
See the red back in there. That's neat. Well, I'm not have any red on. I don't know what he's pointing at.
Don't shine it at any light.
What?
Don't shine it at any light.
She saw Arlene talking to Red and she
Woo.
was over talking to somebody else and she didn't get something.
I didn't look around
Okay,
and see
that's
if
enough.
anybody else had talked to.
I didn't
I
say
waited